Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable location setting on Android phone. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is opening our settings application. So we can tap on the settings application to open it. Then we're going to scroll down until we find the location setting. That's one. Tap on the location setting. And if you want to disable the location, we can tap on the toggle button. Okay, and now the location has been turned off, and actually there is a quick way to turn off the location setting. You can go to your notification panel, then you can swipe down, then you just need to click on this button, this location button, to turn it off. And alright guys, that's how we can disable location setting on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.